Oh, starting to kick in now.
Oh yeah.
Well, here we are in the KG polytunnel, and I've got a nice present for you.
Yes.
You're welcome to eat it whole.
No, I've heard about
Or even
this.
have, yes.
So, what's it called again?
It's called Armageddon. And,
Armageddon. What a good name.
A good name.
For this. Look at it. It looks like it wouldn't hurt a fly.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
It is a rather beautiful in an ugly sort of way. But it's got a power, hasn't it? It's got a lot of power in
well,
this.
I only think there's only one way of finding out, isn't there? Let's try it.
Are you going to try it?
No, I'm not. I have tried it. I have tried
and
it.
And what effect did it have on you?
I only tried a little bit. It was very, very hot. It's 1.3 million, I think, on the Scoville scale. Second to the Carolina Reaper, which is the hottest in the world.
So this is basically almost like the hottest in the UK.
It is, and it's British bred,
British
actually.
bred.
Yeah, but not got an amazing perfume just off the plant. I mean, maybe it is when I've tried a little bit in cooking. It's just very hot, and if you like very hot chilies, no problem.
You've got an awful lot of them here, Tony.
Yeah,
I think
are you
going to do?
I didn't realise how many.
They've grown well.
They've grown well. You have to start these off early. I mean, you want to start them in February.
February, yeah.
Because what are we now? We're coming close to November, and sort of October they're going red and maturing fully. But they've been very, very bushy plants and quite tall.
It's just a nice looking plant. I mean, it's a attractive looking fruit in a way, isn't it? But it's quite scary.
Very prolific, very hot, and pretty low maintenance. It's basically, with chilies, it's early on in the season. You have to get them going, make sure they get heat and light.
Yeah.
But once you've got them into a pot, say June, in a polytunnel or greenhouse, they run away with themselves. You just have to give them a bit of tomato feed once they start flowering.
So this one really is for the hardcore chili lovers, isn't it?
Hardcore chili heads, definitely.
I mean,
yeah,
and it's in a way, to me, it isn't almost worth growing it because I wouldn't eat it.
No.
So it's a shame, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, I have given a lot out at work, and I'm going to take some more in tomorrow. I did get a lot of people queuing up, but I'm not sure that's going to happen next time I take them in. But we've got a different variety here, which is
this is better, I think. It's a milder one.
Mild heat.
And what's this one?
This is called Machu Picchu. It's Peruvian, so and it starts off green like that, and then it goes
a really nice
lovely chocolatey brown colour.
Chocolate brown, yeah.
Quite meaty, quite fleshy.
Yeah. So you could use one of those in a.
Yeah, I've put them in.
Right.
I've put them in some food curries, and they just give a little bit of a kick.
Just one in a.
I've put 3 in, and it was fine.
Really?
It's I like it relatively hot.
So that's a more useful chili to grow, really, for the average person.
Yeah, and it's not too mild either, because I like chilies to have a bit of a kick to them. But again, a very bushy plant, quite tall.
A lot of fruit.
And very prolific. I mean, I've taken a lot of this already. But it's just a lovely one. So I'd recommend this. I think it's quite a
big plant, isn't it?
Quite
so
attractive.
You need a greenhouse or a if you've got a conservatory or something or porch, you could grow it in there.
Yeah, I mean, what I think you find with some chilies, if you put them in small pots,
we'll probably have kept it a bit smaller, maybe.
You might have kept it a bit smaller.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's a lovely plant, and I would definitely recommend growing that one.
Yeah.
So do you want to try that one first?
No. I'll stick to my sweet peppers.
All right, okay, I will try one.
You're going to try one, okay?
Yeah, they're supposed to be good ground down into chili powder.
Ooh, you quite confidently bit that.
I haven't bitten into the embryo or the seed yet.
The embryo of the seed, that's
that's
where
quite
the heat
sweet.
is, isn't it?
It's supposed to have a bit of a smoky flavour when in cooking. I haven't really noticed that when I did it, but
yeah, it's quite an interesting colour inside. It's a real sort of pale.
Got some seeds now, so it's starting to hit a bit. But you couldn't do that with that.
No.
Sure, you don't want to try.
No.
Not hitting you.
That clearly is. You quite like it hot though.
Get down to the seeds and the embryo kicks in there. You can always deseed it.
Yeah,
Don't want too hot.
that's the key, isn't it? It's getting the seeds out and the area around the seed. Actually, is where the seeds are attached to.
That's where.
You can just use the skin. Just use the flesh. Very careful. It's not quite so hot.
But that's got a kick, but it's not overwhelming. So yeah, Machu Picchu. Have a look at that.
Yeah.
But they do have quite an aroma and flavour that you won't get with that.
Oh,
It's
really?
burning me now a bit, but I couldn't have any more than that.
No. How brave.
Some water, I think.
No.
You know, they're not the end of the world. They're just really, really hot.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Did you get that?
Just.
Oh, starting to kick in now.
Oh yeah. Quick.
I'm going to get some water.
Yeah. Quick. There's